Hi guys, this is something a little bit different for me. I am just getting ready to cut some stencils using my scan and cut. So I'm just picking a pattern and I'm going to make several stencils today. And I thought maybe you'd like to come along and see how it works. So I've picked a star pattern and I'm going to place it on my selected items, and then I'll get multiple stars and size them accordingly. You can use any image. You can use their software on their website and create your own images, but I'm just using what comes with the machine. You don't have to have anything special to create. All you need is the scan and cut. One of the things that's cool about the scan and cut is you can scan images, like if you just want to scan your artwork and save it on your computer. You can scan images directly and cut them out as long as you have a continuous line. And I'm just counting squares, trying to figure out where I want to place these things on my mat. I know this is not the best angle for you to see, but this is not my normal setup. I'm just trying to do a little bit of video taping using my iPad, and I wanted to give you guys a look at something other than what I normally put out here on this channel. So some of you know I've recently had some issues with some computer software and computers and that sort of thing. So I thought I'd try using some of my other equipment. So while I'm trying my other equipment, I thought, well, let's try the Brothers Scan and Cut, see what I can do with that. So now it's just going out, cutting the design that I've created onto the stencil material, and we'll see what I get here in the end. The cool thing about this is you don't have to do any special settings because the machine itself senses just how deeply the blade needs to go to cut the material that you're using. So here it comes back out. Only took a short period of time to cut the stencil. I'll hit the eject for the mat and I'll pull up the stencil material. This is just some cheap stencil material that I got from Tuesday morning. I believe it's from Plaid. I have ordered some other stencil materials from Amazon, and I'll try to remember to put a link in for you down below if you're interested in getting something like that. But you can see that it very quickly and easily cut out those stars to create a stencil. And I've cut several others. This little scraper just pops those additional star pieces off, and you get both the mask and the stencil when you cut this way. So it's kind of nice because you get both. So you can see here's a leaf stencil and mask that I cut earlier, and I'm just clipping them together with a bulldog clip, and it keeps everything handy. So I hope you enjoyed this, and maybe you'll see me do some other things. Bye for now.